What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Jess. I'm from New Jersey and I do a lot of New Jersey East Coast lifestyle content and vlogs, and I also do the occasional travel vlog. So this is going to be a pack and prep with me video for a trip to Southern California. We're going to San Diego and Palm Springs and Joshua Tree National Park. 7 days. We're leaving tomorrow morning pretty early. We're coming back the following Tuesday, so it's a Tuesday to Tuesday, and I decided to do this trip as a little birthday celebration. So my birthday is on May 18th. That falls at the beginning of the trip. It should be really exciting and fun. So stay tuned for some travel vlogs because I'm definitely going to be vlogging the entire trip for San Diego and Palm Springs. But this video is just going to be packing and prepping for this trip. It's just going to be me and my boyfriend on this trip. We're each checking our own bag. I'm going to use my new CalPack suitcase. I've never used it before, but I've had it now since Christmas. I'll link some stuff down below that I'm using for the packing. It's already noon. Started doing a few things, working on the itinerary. So I really like to have an itinerary or a plan in mind when it comes to my travels, just so that I can really optimize our time there and see as much as possible. So we're doing about like 3-ish days in San Diego, 3 days in Palm Springs / Joshua Tree National Park. Joshua Tree is just going to be a day trip from Palm Springs. The weather is going to vary a bit. San Diego is a little more mild, like high 60s, sunny / cloudy. But then Palm Springs is significantly hotter, 90s, almost 100 degrees some days. I also want to do my nails, so I might show that in this. I gave myself a little pedicure quickly last night. I've had these nails on for a while now, maybe like 10 days or so I want to take them off and redo it. So that's going to take a good amount of time, but I'm going to save that for the end of the day because the main priority is definitely going to be packing. I also have to run out to make a shoe return. I also haven't been home in a while, so I just came home and had a few packages. I got my free birthday gift and another free gift basically with the points from Sephora. Love the Kosas concealer, so I got a mini version of that. And then I also got that shirt from Aritzia. In one of my previous vlogs I did a little Aritzia try-on haul, so I just got that in and unboxed it and it looks really pretty. Definitely gonna be bringing that on the trip. I just did some laundry, so I think I'm just gonna put all this stuff away and have it all organized, and then I'm just gonna start laying out clothes, planning the outfits, and packing my bag. So I just folded my clothes. I just kept a few things out that I'm probably going to end up packing for this trip. But right now I'm just making a little packing list. I'm going to insert a little screen recording of me doing this packing list, but I'm just kind of going through each day of the trip and bulleting what exactly I want to pack for each day. First day of the trip is Tuesday, May 16th. We arrived to San Diego around noon. Essentially a full day, so I'm probably going to be changing out of my airport outfit and just putting on. So I have just a casual outfit for exploring San Diego and dinner, and then I'll break down what that's going to be. And for Friday, May 19th, we're driving from San Diego to Palm Springs, so we're going to be making a lot of stops along the way. So we're going to be doing some excursions. We're also going to be going to the flower fields at Carlsbad. I'm really excited about that because I always see the pictures on Instagram and it looks really pretty. So we're going to be doing that and just making a couple stops along the coast, making our way towards the desert. Later that night, we have an excursion for the Palm Springs aerial tramway, which is supposed to be pretty cold on top of the mountain. Warmer hiking outfit. Night. Okay, so now I have a little outline for generally what kind of outfits I need or how many outfits I need. So I'm just going to start pulling some clothes from my closet and putting some stuff together and just going from there. Mapped out a general list. I also like having comfy shorts that aren't necessarily denim. This is a nice pair that I like. It's like a cargo-y pair, high-waisted, stretchy. These are from Abercrombie. I got them last year. Also just sweat shorts, like Aritzia sweat shorts, just great basics from the TNA brand. So comfy. Sometimes you just want to be comfy. But I did just get some new denim shorts, and I did a little try-on haul a few videos ago where I try on some Aritzia stuff, this pair of denim shorts, and another pair from Abercrombie. So these are the Abercrombie dad short high-rise, Curve Love, size 2. They fit great 4-inch mom shorts. I really like these as well. Also love a linen short. This pair I got last year from Abercrombie. Just like a stretchy waistband, white linen short. And then these I recently got from Abercrombie as well. This is also great just throw over a bathing suit if we do a beach day. I love keeping my bathing suits in these bags. When I purchased some bathing suits last year from 437, they shipped them in these little bags and I've just been holding on to them and storing my suits in them. So I have 2 suits in each bag. I'm gonna bring 4 bathing suits on this trip. Probably don't need to, but I'm gonna bring them. It doesn't take up that much space in the bag. Just got this hat from Aritzia, baseball cap. It's like $25. I knew I definitely wanted a hat for this trip, especially with Joshua Tree National Park. Going through my tops and seeing what I want to bring, because I really just wrote like cute tops. I'm very casual when it comes to what I like to wear. I love just jeans and a simple cute shirt. And sneakers, that's definitely my vibe. Bring a sweater that's a little cuter. This has an open back on it, which I like. This is from Reformation and I got it on Poshmark actually last year. The Ophelia sweater. San Diego gets a little cooler at night. I'm definitely gonna bring the new shirt I just got. It's called the Slois top. This is the color Ice Lavender. It's a very pale lavender color. Super pretty. And then this is the long sleeve version of that top. I really like this. I've already worn it once. I wore it with the Abercrombie dad shorts. A cute casual outfit. I definitely want to have some pants, so I just got these linen pants from Abercrombie. Just a wide leg, loose fitting linen pant. They have a drawstring at the waist. I have these in a size small. I always like to pack at least 1 pair of classic blue jeans. Abercrombie. These are the 90s relaxed jean high-rise curve low fit. I get the size 26 or 2, which is my true size, and it fits great. Bring a light pair of jeans. These are Abercrombie, the ankle straight ultra high rise, cream off-white color, same size 26-2 regular curve low. I like to pack things that are more versatile, something that I can wear that pair of pants with almost every single top I'm bringing. So if I want to switch things up, I have a lot of options to work with. Dresses I'm not like super into. I have recently been getting a few dresses, trying to get into it, but I'm definitely more of a pants and a crop top person. But I did get this nice dress last year from the brand Realization Par. I bought it on Poshmark and it's very pretty. Mini dress. I just think this is so cute for Palm Springs. Silky vibe to it. I'll see if I end up wearing it, but I am gonna pack it. This white mid-length dress. This is from Aritzia. I showed this in the try-on haul. Comfy dress to throw on if I want to put a different outfit on for dinner. Usually I'll just keep the same outfit on all day, but I might want to switch it up. Because I'm checking a bag, I'm being a little more flexible because usually I don't check a bag and I have to be very strategic with how I pack. So with a checked bag for this trip, definitely have a little more flexibility. I might end up not wearing like 1 or 2 of the items I bring. I'd rather have the extra options. I guess I'm gonna pack like 4 dresses and we'll see if I bother to change into any of them. Simple white halter dress from Aritzia, stretchy. I wore this last year for my birthday in Miami Beach, but it's just a really comfortable white mini dress. Again, it would probably be great for Palm Springs since it's gonna be almost 100 degrees. Pack some pajamas. I don't go crazy. I'll wear the same pajama shorts every single night of the trip, and I'll bring 2 pajama shirts, like a t-shirt, and then this is just a little spaghetti strap. I'll bring 1 sports bra in case I want to do this for the hike, but I might end up not even wearing it. I might end up just doing a regular bra. And I always like to have at least 1 type of legging pant. I really like the yoga pant or flared legging from Aritzia. This is great for like an airport outfit. Aritzia crop top, just something really comfortable. I also usually like to throw a little jacket or cardigan on over just in case it gets chilly on the plane. And then I always like to just throw something really comfortable in. So this is just a plain black tank top, simple Abercrombie white short sleeve shirt. I always like to bring extra underwear and socks just in case. And then I have my bras. I also love these pasty things. I have another pair and I just saw these at Marshall's the other day, so I picked them up. This is great for a lot of the dresses, especially something strapless or if you don't feel like wearing a bra. Like I feel like these are pretty good. I have my Calpac large suitcase here. I'm not going to be bringing a carry-on for this trip, so I'm going to leave this one behind. But the bag is pretty big. came with a few packing cubes and luggage tags as a bundle. It also has a little shoe bag and a dirty laundry bag. Convenient. So I laid out all my clothes. I'm going to start gathering some toiletries. So since I'm checking a bag, I'm just going to throw all my makeup in this. This is the Merit Beauty signature bag. So if you buy from Merit Beauty, they'll ship your first order in this bag. So I'm just gonna throw my makeup in here, little cotton swabs. Put my cotton swabs in my makeup bag. And for toiletries, so my skincare, face wash, shampoo, conditioner. I'm gonna wait a little bit on that because I still need to use them tonight and tomorrow morning. Put this stuff in this bag here, put it into my checked luggage. I'm gonna keep my shampoo, conditioner, face wash, and exfoliating scrub in a separate little bag, just in case one of them leaks, but I haven't had any issues with these tubes yet. As for removing makeup, I use jojoba oil and these reusable cotton rounds, so I'm just gonna bring a bunch of these, and I keep them in this little bag here. I'm gonna pack some sunscreen. So this is the one that I use for my body. And then I just squirt it into this travel bottle and bring this so that I don't have to bring this big can. I like to keep some things in separate bags, like dresses for instance. I have this bag from Lahana Swim when I bought a bathing suit a while back from them, and I love using it just to like store some of my dresses. I also have some packing cubes. Never used packing cubes before, but they came with this bundle from Calpac, so I'm gonna use them. It's got all 4 of my dresses in here with the headband. I have 3 sized packing cubes here, so I have one of this large one. This is like a medium-sized one, and then this smaller one. I have the laundry bag and the shoe bag. I'm gonna try to fit all of my bottoms in this larger packing cube, and I'm definitely hitting at them. Like looking at it, I can tell I'm overpacking a little bit on the bottoms, but if it fits, I'm gonna bring it. Don't know if this is all gonna fit. Let's see. Wow. I'm honestly impressed that I was able to fit every single pair of bottoms in here. In this more medium-sized packing cube, I'm going to try to do all tops and anything that I can really fit into it. I actually could have fit even a little bit more in this one. I'm so impressed by how much you could fit in a packing cube. And so far I've got almost all my clothes in these packing cubes, and then I just have some undergarments left, which I'm going to try to put into this smaller cube. Even fit the bathing suits in here as well. These bags can really hold a lot. Pretty impressive. All of that clothes is just on this one half of the bag. And I still have to throw in toiletries, shoes, and like a little jacket. I'm also gonna pack a crew neck. I'm just gonna lay this on top of the bag, not put it in a cube. For my airport outfit, I'm gonna have a little cardigan, just so I have 2 things that if the weather's a little chillier at night, I have some options. Airport outfit's really simple. I just threw the sweatshirt in over here, my hat here, and that is all of the clothes. I can't think of anything else clothes-wise I need to bring. I strapped it in, and I'm just gonna close it up. I'll start putting some stuff on the other side. For shoes, I'm gonna do a pair of sneakers. I'm gonna wear those to the airport. I'm gonna do this pair of sandals, and then just a pair of flip-flops for the beach. Pack a beach towel as well, just in case, because I remember last time we went to San Diego, I bought one because we went to the beach, but I'm gonna bring this one. I'm also gonna bring my hair dryer. It has a brush built in and a curly one. These are just some items I'm gonna be putting in my personal items. So I just have this old Adidas backpack, my laptop, everything for my laptop, sunglasses, reusable water bottle, some hair ties, earbuds, little snacks, phone charger, jewelry, hair clip, my camera bag, hairbrush, and then my purse. I've basically finished packing everything clothes-wise, all the toiletries that I can pack. Everything fit in the suitcase so well, probably slightly overpacked, but I have the room for it, so might as well. And I still have room in my suitcase if I were to get anything there and want to bring it home. I'm just gonna take off this old gel polish, paint something new on them, and that'll really be it. I'm gonna leave this on for probably like 20 or 30 minutes, soak it off. So while I'm doing that, I think we're just gonna take a walk around the block and I'll come back and paint them.